Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 777. The number 777 is a very spiritual number because it has the mysterious number 7 3 times, which makes its effects stronger. Number 7 resonates with the collective consciousness, spiritual awakening and awareness, spiritual enlightenment, spiritual acceptance and development, mysticism, intuition and inner knowing, inner wisdom, empathic abilities, psychic abilities, the esoteric, the inner self, deep contemplation and introspection, eccentricity, religion, thoughtfulness, understanding others, natural healer and healing, secrets, myth, ritual, peace, poise, emotions and feelings, inner. Angel number 777 reminds you that you are here at this time to grow spiritually. You do this by being the best and highest version of yourself, and by using your unique skills to help others in big and small ways. Recognize and accept the best and highest parts of yourself, and use your skills and qualities to bring love, light, and healing to your own life and the lives of others. Angel number 777 means that you have listened to divine guidance and are now putting that wisdom to work in your life. It is now time to reap the rewards of your hard work and efforts. The angels are happy for you because your successes inspire, help, and teach others by example. Know that your wishes are coming true because of how you treat your life and how positive you are, and you can expect many more miracles, big and small, to happen to you. Angel number 777 also tells you to look for ways to learn more, study, investigate, and research things that really interest and speak to you. Turn your natural interests, curiosities, and skills towards spiritual, esoteric, and supernatural topics, or research or study topics that interest you. This will help you grow and develop on the inside. Engage in activities that really interest and engage you, and talk to other people about your spiritual views. Angel number 777 is a sign from your angels that you are living your divine life purpose and are on the right path. The universe is happy with your progress, and you have earned your rewards because you have been good and worked hard. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.